Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video I will share with you very simple and fantastic home remedies so as to remove the stain from the glass. Like you can see, there are a lot of stains available on this glass mirror. So as to remove all these stains, I will share with you very good remedy, for which you need some ingredients such as salt. Like here I have taken salt and old newspaper. What you need to do is you need to add some water into the salt and then dip the old newspaper into the water solution and apply it like this over to the mirror where all their stains are available. Like this. Now rub the newspaper like this to remove the stains from the glass. And you can see a very good difference. All the stains have been disappeared from the glass. Now you need to take a newspaper and now again clean it very nicely with gently all over to the mirror or any glass item. So the salt and water solution is very effective in removing the stain from the glass. Like you can see, this is all about this remedy to remove the stain from the glass. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.